Does the Navy Federal Pledge Loan still work in 2024, going forward to 2025? I'm going to answer that right for you. Yes, it still works. Yes, it still will boost your credit. The important thing to remember with the Navy Federal Pledge Loan is that you're going to have to be a member of the Navy Federal Credit Union, right? And you can do this by opening a savings account for $5. After you open the savings account, you're going to have to then transfer the lowest amount, which can be $250 up to. You're going to need to have that into your account after you open your savings account or your checkings account. Then you're going to call and ask to see if you qualify for the pledge loan. The pledge loan is going to post on your account. You're going to wait a month to 2 months. Then you're going to pay it off, or at least 90% of it off. And this is going to be on your credit report. This is going to boost your credit score significantly. Okay? This is a quick hack to boost your credit score. And it does work still. Navy Federal is still a go, family.